How to fix blurry stories on Instagram, quick and easy guide. Is your Instagram story looking blurry or low quality? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple steps to fix this issue and make your stories look sharp and clear. First, check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is slow, Instagram might compress your stories, making them appear blurry. Try switching to a stronger network before uploading. Next, open Instagram and go to Settings, Data Usage, and make sure High-Quality Uploads is turned on. This will help improve your story quality. Always upload stories in the correct resolution, 1080 by 1920 pixels for the best quality. If your images or videos are too small, Instagram might stretch and pixelate them. If you're using editing apps, make sure to save your photos and videos in high quality. Some apps compress files, which can reduce the quality when uploaded to Instagram. Sometimes, outdated versions of Instagram can cause issues. Check for updates or reinstall the app to fix any bugs affecting your story quality. Clearing the cache can also help. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, you'll need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear cache data. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix blurry Instagram stories and keep your content looking crisp and professional. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.